Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Update muna tayo sa ating fund drive for our brave 14 plus 3 Marines. As of now, meron nang naipon na 107,000 pesos sa ating GCash. At I hope Sunday ngayon may naka-open na bangko para maipadala. If not, bukas na lang ito maipadala. So, maraming salamat sa mga nagpadala nito. Ang nauna na nating naibigay na tulong sa kanila is 736,000 pesos plus itong ipapadala na 107, so 800 plus na. Yung mga gustong magpadala, pasensya, wag muna dahil naubusan na ang limit ng ating mga GCash. Hindi na pwedeng matanggap. 2 GCash number yung ginagamit natin, kailangan sa dami ng nagpadala for this month, wala na, hindi na pwedeng tanggapin. Sa September na ulit pwedeng magpadala.
Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang pagpapahayag o pagsisiwalat ni Senator Lacson sa totoong kalagayan ni Senator Legarda kung bakit palaging extended ang leave ng senadora na nasa ibang bansa ngayon. Kaya dito sa article ng Politico.com, title, Ping Lacson reveals, Loren Legarda abroad for lung problem. May problema sa baga. Senator Panfilo Lacson has disclosed that Senator Legarda is undergoing medical evaluation abroad for a lung condition, offering new details about the illness behind her extended leave from the Senate. In an interview over DWIZ, Lacson said Legarda personally called him before leaving the country and told him that doctors had found a problem involving her lungs. Sabi ni Lacson, nung nasa labas, tumawag siya sa akin minsan. Sinabi niya lang na may problema raw yung kanyang lungs. And I can only sympathize with her kasi medical leave, totoo nga raw na mayroon siyang dinaramdam. Lacson said he had no reason to doubt Legarda's explanation that she needed to undergo medical examination overseas. Sabi niya, wala naman akong reason to doubt na mayroon siya talagang medical check-up na gagawin. So, yung kanyang legal problem, that's for her to confront. Legal problem, yung investigasyon ng ombudsman. Legarda's medical leave has drawn heightened attention because it coincided with Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Remulla's announcement of a preliminary investigation involving her and her son, Batangas Representative Lebeste. The investigation concerns allegations that the two were involved in securing exclusive franchises and contracts for solar projects that allegedly failed to materialize. Legarda has denied wrongdoing. Assistant Ombudsman Nico Clavano has earlier described the timing of her extended leave as suspicious. Lacson, however, said his conversation with Legarda left him convinced that she was dealing with an actual health concern. He recalled that Legarda also spoke about what she believed was the political nature of the investigation and sounded emotional during their conversation. Sabi ni Lacson, sabi ko naman sa kanya, talagang ganyan ang buhay. Importante yung health mo. Malungkot, parang nafe-feel ko na parang gustong umiyak, Lacson said. Amid speculation that Legarda might remain abroad or seek political asylum, Lacson said the senator assured him that she intended to return to the Philippines after completing her medical test. Sabi naman niya, ito ang payag ni Lacson, na uuwi raw siya. Talagang ang sinabi niya sa akin, talagang tatapusin niya lang kanyang mga medical check-up. He added that he hoped everything goes well for his colleague as he underwent further medical evaluation. Okay, salamat dito sa pagpapahayag ni Senator Lacson. And I can understand kasi napagdaanan ni Senator Lacson na nag-undergo siya ng political persecution panahon ng Arroyo administration. Nagtago si Lacson. So, itong kay Senator Legarda, may condition sa lungs, at the same time, may condition legal problem. Kaya, ayun, the most logical person na tawagan niya ay si Senator Lacson dahil sa tingin ko naiintindihan ni Senator Lacson ang kalagayan ni Legarda kasi may political nature yung ginagawa na investigasyon. So, importante ang help. Sana maayos ang lang problem ni Senator Ligarda. Total, advanced technology naman ang medisina ngayon. So, kasi kung lang problem, ano yan, pneumonia, ito no, kung anong lang problem. So, pagdasal na lang natin yung mag-ina na sana malampasan nila itong pagsubok sa kanilang buhay. Ito, opinion ko na lang ito baka ayaw nilang matulad kay Senator Marcoleta. Si Senator Ligarda, silang mag-ina kasi yung speculation ng iba na baka mag-apply political asylum, to me, posibilidad yan. At hintayin na lang na matapos ang administrasyong ito bago babalik. Kasi kung babalik sila dito, yung posibilidad na matulad sila kay Senator Marcoleta at ex-Congressman Defensor is nandyan. Kaya nasa delikadong kalagayan ang mag-ina ngayon. Opinion ko lang yan. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel ito.
Gabok na gid kayo ang trapal. Hindi kadakol sa mga